I am finally back with a new video, and today I'll be showing you how I achieved my go-to curly hair. The reason why I haven't been doing this video is because I honestly think it's super straightforward. It's just basically me curling my hair. But a lot of you have requested me to show you guys how I achieved this specific hairstyle that I posted on my Instagram recently. So I decided maybe it's time for me to show you how I curl my hair. And this hairstyle is actually something that I always go to. So whenever I have events or I have just something special to attend to, I will always curl my hair like that. It is basic of all basic, so I'll make sure that I curl my hair like that before I do any kind of hairstyle. Okay, to start off, because I have bangs, right, I will usually put it up in my favorite hair color. It's like so split into half like that. I'm just gonna force them together. So you will see this angle up like that. Curl it up first before I proceed to my hair. Because this is my go-to hair and I do it so freaking often, right? I just want to do it as quick as possible. I think you guys will be so pissed off looking at me do this because there is really no neat way of me doing it. Gotta brush through my hair first because it's very tangled. But yeah, just pin it up like that. So I have this bottom section. And usually I will apply serum before doing my hair. So I'm using this Lucido-L Argan Rich Oil. My usual go-to hairstyle is actually curls going outwards. So whenever I curl, I make sure that it's going outwards like that. Like that. This hair color I'm using is from Vodana, and this is the Esther Loves Vodana series. It's a special edition. I will leave the link below so you can actually get this. And it comes with this hair clip also. So this is my favorite go-to hair color because it's very light, and I usually take this to travel with me also. So how I do this is I take a section of my hair, just a small bunch, clip it like that, and curl it outwards. Like this. And because it's quite hot, right? It's curled very quick. I set it to 160 degrees Celsius, and honestly that's pretty hot. I don't want to keep it on for too long. If your clip is like this, it means you're curling inwards. If your clip is facing in front, you're curling outwards. Okay, now I'm done with the first side. I'm gonna be moving on to the other side. Again, take the bunch here like that, and again remember the clip has to be at the front and turn it outwards. And also because my hair is so damaged, right? It's like wire. What? So it gets curls very easily. But if your hair is not so damaged like mine, and it's very healthy and bouncy and thick, you should keep it on for a longer time. And when you take it off, you should also hold it like that so it keeps the curls. And also you can end it off with hairspray so your curls will last the entire day. Now I'm done with the bottom section. Gonna take off the top part. I like to just put it together because I can't be bothered. Oops. Put more serum. Okay, so this part gets kind of fun because you just gotta pick out all the hair that is not cut and do the same thing. Just keep repeating. So here I am done with one side of my hair. I'm gonna be curling the other side. So after curling all of my hair, I like to pick out some strands from the top here, just like smaller bunch, and curl them again all the way up to my crown. Okay, so after I'm done with that, I like to go back to the front part of my hair. So because these two bunch of hair actually frames my face, right? So I like to curl them again. And to create volume at my crown, I usually like to do this. So I just pick out some strand of hair on the top, and I will place my curler here, take it away, and I leave it on like that for a while before I let it go. So it creates a little bit of volume. Oh my god, my hair is extremely messy now. Okay, I'm done with my hair, and now I have to get my bangs done. And because my bangs is quite a nuisance, I have to say, it really sometimes it parts in its own way. It basically has a life of its own, and it's very hard to deal with. So I actually managed to find a few ways to tame them down. And today I'll be showing you how I actually tame my hair that it's not listening to me. So since I already kept it like that, right, when I let it go, it will sort of be like, like this, but there will still be this hole in between. So to make sure that it listens to me, right, I have to add water to my bangs. And the way I do this is I use this Bio Essence Bio Spring Water. So I spray a bit on the roots at the front here, and then I comb it down straight in the middle. And because I have widow's peak, right, widow's peak is this thing here, my bangs kind of has a life of its own even more. And so after adding the water, I try to scrunch it in the middle so that the line will be gone. And then I'll be using a hairdryer to dry it down. So as you can tell, after I'm done with that, the line is gone. Clearly I'm looking like a Sadako now because my bangs is way too long. After doing that, I will put on my hair curler. So when it comes to see-through bangs, the way you want to keep it curled like that, so you don't go all the way up like that, you make sure to keep a space here so that it's not too poofy. You do not want that. Then you apply a little bit of heat, and I like to leave it on like that for a while so that it stays. So after I've let go of the hair curler, I just brush it outwards like that. Keep my see-through bangs see-through. And because my bangs are quite long now, I make sure to bring this out wherever I go. So whenever I'm free and my bangs are like seaweed and stuck to my forehead, I always take this out and then I will just like, you know, curl it again. This is basically like the base of everything if I want to style my hair afterwards even more. So sometimes I like to tie a low ponytail and I leave out some of my, you know, fillers out here for a more, you know, classy look. Wow. Or otherwise, you can always play around with hair clips nowadays. Alright, so that's it for today's video. This is how I usually get my hair done. So if you have any questions or any requests, please let me know at the comment section below. I hope you learned a thing or two today, and I'll see you guys really soon.